Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. Welcome to this video. It's going to be a super powerful video and one that's going to help you make some money because this is going to be a deep dive into finding winning dropshipping products, and I'm going to show you specifically how to do it with the Doba Shopify app. Done a bunch of videos now on Doba. Make sure you watch them in my YouTube channel and throughout my social media. I've got the links up there. Really, it's the number one way to do dropshipping, and this is winning product research for dropshipping because Doba, not only is it the number one way to do dropshipping and to source products, but if you follow the exact strategies in this video, I'm going to show you how the Doba dropshipping app is also going to become your number one product research app as well. No other tools, no other additional paid apps required. And there are definitely a lot of pain points when it comes to product research. First of all, there's no built-in way to do it with Shopify. You typically need to use a paid tool or some type of app, and you want to make sure you have an app that is super easy to use, requires no prior technological skill, and doesn't require you to be some type of product research master. But really, most importantly, the whole power and the reason why Doba works so well is that you need to use an app that offers the ability to really filter down into products, to drill down into products, have all these different search combinations to absolutely pinpoint winning products, trending products, hot products, products that are going to make you money in your store. And that's why you're going to want to use Doba. I'm going to show you in this video how to use Doba for winning product research. And you see the link directly below this video. Highly recommended. Doba is the number one dropshipping partner for Shopify, for eBay. You could do across different platforms as well, all built in. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use it as your number one product research tool. So let's go over the shoulder. This is Doba.com. Again, you see the link directly below this video. You'll be able to build your dream dropshipping business with Doba. And the really cool part is 90% of their stock coming from the US. 90% US stock, super fast shipping, already here in the USA. You're going to be able to build that long-term brand because you have fast, trusted US suppliers, right? Over 1.3 million pieces of inventory ready to ship, drop ship that is, in the US. So that's a huge, huge benefit. They have 20 plus years experience. Over 3 million dropshippers working with Doba who have earned over $6.2 billion in sales. I mean, lots and lots of experience here. You're in trustworthy hands here. Top US-based inventory, expert product selection, full automation. The list goes on and on. Lots of different reasons to use Doba. Highly recommend you jump right into it. Go over here, click Get Started. You can get a great 14-day trial over here, and you can see the power. But I'm going to go over the shoulder and show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'm inside of my Doba account, and we're going to go over here and start to do some searches. And of course, we'll go over all the different advanced search functionality that we have here. But don't discount these over here. These are very, very valuable when we have things curated for you. For example, the TikTok shop selections. Finding all these products that are perfect for TikTok. If you want to scale on TikTok, if you want to get started on TikTok, right? You'll be able to literally go through any of these curated products and list directly to TikTok shop. All you need to do is just link your TikTok shop directly into your Doba account. Very easy to do that in the stores section. Same thing for Temu over here. Hot Temu products, hot ranking products. How about this? High profit margin products. So I really like this. And you see what they do. They even compare to the Amazon price. So you can go live with this and have some really, really strong profit margins. 57%, 45%, 51%, right? Talking about a product that costs you $63, sells for $129 on Amazon. So really, really powerful here. It's actually a pretty cool product. It's a nice high quality cat carrier purse. So you got a dog or a cat or a pet store, perfect product in here, and it's already popular and selling on Amazon for a lot more. So this is kind of some of the built-in ways that Doba is a great product research tool. All these things, new arrivals, right, curated for you. You want to be first to market. You want to have products that just came out. These literally were just added into Doba's network. Premium suppliers as well. So you see some of the brands out here. And shipping origin, big thing here, United States. See everything on this page. Shipping out of the United States, really, really powerful, of course, especially right now to get things going. Mod Pop is a cool brand. You can source directly from them through Doba as well. They have blowout sale, Amazon selection. Of course, I'm going to show you Shopify selection. But how about ship from the US, right? These are products that ship directly from the US. So we haven't even typed anything in yet, right? We're able to see all of these curated products. So your product research tool might allow you to search products, but over here, Doba is literally hand-picking hot products, not products that they think are good, but products that they know are good, that are working good, and are on their platform available right now to be drop shipped, a lot of them coming from the US. So let's go into here and start to do some searches. And of course, you could do your basic search over here, and you'll see tons and tons of great products. Over 19,000 products over here about cats. But let's drill down into some of the advanced product research tools that you see on the left. And this is going to allow us to really maximize our rate of finding winners. So we have different things over here, and you could hover over the eye for each of these to give you a little description about what's going on. For example, this is the average processing time. It's going to indicate the time between when buyers pay and when the product is actually shipped. That could be super relevant. Let's say you want things that ship out quickly, or you want to do TikTok shop where you need fast processing. You could play around with those search tools. Average delivery time, right? This is obviously in terms of when it's shipped, how long it takes to get to the customer. Fulfillment rate percentage. This is another important stat. The fulfillment rate, right? How many of these were fulfilled based on paid? It's going to give you a percentage over here. And then refund rate, right? We could have things that have maybe a maximum 5% refund rate. And when you press OK on any of these filters, of course, the searches are going to update, and you're going to see different products on here that have different types of, in this case, up to a 5% refund rate. So you can get very creative with this and really pinpoint the type of product that you want. But there's other one-click filters in here as well that make your life a lot easier. For example, we can come over here and immediately find products that have free shipping. And this is powerful. I'm going to come over here. Let's do another search. How about we do something like, I don't know, tennis. So tennis is a popular niche. Come over here, only tennis products with free shipping, and we see our filter set up right over here. So we have all the curation, but we have all these filters as well, and we're actually seeing some tennis bracelets over here, some more tennis-related products. Come over here. How about something like golf? Golf's another popular one. We have some mats, we have some cleaning tools, we have some carts, we have some nets for target practice, all that great stuff. We have gift guides. And how about we want to only look at things that have new arrivals? We're only looking at some brand new golf products. So maybe you've been in the golf niche for a while. You want to come in here and you want to find new arrivals only. They're right there. You want to find things that have UPCs available. Maybe you're selling on Amazon. You need a UPC or an ASIN available, right? You can literally find all these products ready to go, available. You even see some branded products in here. Very, very cool. You know, kind of the sky's the limit in here. And when you start to drill down with these advanced search tools, how about products with video? Right? Maybe you want to be able to show video in your ads, and you only want to find products that have video. Well, you could literally search that way. Say, I want to run a dog store, but I know that running video ads are going to be very important. Right? Well, we can come over here, products with video. And now we can come and click through here, and we already have pre-built video that we're able to use for our ads or maybe for a TikTok, whatever it is. So you see that over there, and again, add to inventory list. Just like any other product, we'll be able to go ahead and add it into our inventory list and then add it into our store or our TikTok shop, or really however we want to do that. So easy to do, very easy. If you have some favorite suppliers, you could even go into the suppliers thing. Let's say you want to, you only want to find heavily scalable products. Say, you know, I know that I could sell, you know, 1,000 in a month. You want to find someone that has huge inventory. You can come over here and put something like 5,000 minimum inventory. You see the stock is showing right over here, how much inventory we have, all different types of products, of course. And this is another filter that you can do. Pretty basic, but of course, very powerful filter. You could have maximum or minimum prices. And maybe you're thinking, well, I only want to find, you know, products that are going to cost me $10. But I actually think a better way to search is maybe you want to focus on high-end products. And you want to sell only products that are going to be over $100. Obviously, you'll be selling them for a lot more, so you could have your profit margin. But this is a cool way to find high-end, high-ticket products. And of course, you can combine search filters. For example, we only want to find products that ship from the United States and are $100 over. You see the multiple the multiple search features here. And of course, we can click out of them and we'll go right back to just $100 minimum. A lot of fun, popular ways to do this here. And, you know, we could do gym products. And how about we come down here? And this is, of course, super popular right now, shipping from the United States. So we'll add the ship from United States filter. We still have close to 2,000 drop ship products here, in this case for the gym. Come over here, and of course I'll go back to my favorite niche, go cats, and we'll do ship from United States, 17,000 products here. How about those that process within 3 days? basically no change. Still 17,000, right? Because 3-day is pretty typical processing for Doba. We'll see even lower. How about we go down here with 1-day processing? We have close to 10,000 products that have 1-day processing just in the cat niche and ship from the United States. So you want to build a long-term brand, you don't need to get any expensive paid tools or anything like that. Just use Doba. So that was Doba, and again, you see the link directly below this video. Take your dropshipping to the next level. Jump right in. I know this is going to help you out. If you have any questions whatsoever, leave a comment. I'll do my best to answer each and every one of them personally. Otherwise, I hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.